In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Evernote notebook. If you've ever found yourself looking to declutter your digital workspace, or simply want to manage and organize your notes better, deleting an old or unused notebook might be an essential task for you. Thankfully, deleting a notebook in Evernote is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open Evernote on your device. Whether you're using the desktop application or accessing it through a web browser, the steps are generally the same. Once you've opened Evernote, direct your attention to the left-hand panel, where you should see your notebooks list. This section serves as the central hub for all your collections of notes. Take a moment to review this list to locate the specific notebook you want to delete. Next, once you've identified the notebook you wish to remove, simply right-click on it. If you're using a trackpad or touchscreen, you may need to perform a gesture equivalent to right-clicking, such as a two-finger click on a trackpad. A contextual menu will appear, showing you several options you can perform on this notebook. From these options, look for and select Delete Notebook. Now, before you proceed, it's important to note what happens next. Deleting a notebook is irreversible, in the sense that the notebook itself will be removed permanently. However, Evernote ensures you don't lose access to the notes inside the notebook entirely. All the notes contained in the deleted notebook will be moved automatically to the trash. This is a safety net for accidental deletions, giving you a chance to review or restore notes if needed. You'll be able to access the trash from the sidebar should you decide you want to recover any notes at a later time. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a notebook from Evernote. It's always a good idea to clean up your digital workspace from time to time, and knowing how to effectively manage your notebooks can keep you organized and improve productivity. Remember, deleting a notebook won't rid you of the notes right away, as they remain in the trash until you decide to permanently delete them. Thank you for watching this tutorial on deleting an Evernote notebook. I hope you found the process simple and easy to follow. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tips on navigating and optimizing your use of Evernote. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy organizing!